Welcome to Artist Documentation. In this video, I will show you that with the experience of the construction architectural experiences, what kinds of job offered for a mechanical engineer. With the experience in construction and architecture, mechanical engineer can pursue a wide range of career opportunity where their expertise in mechanical system, energy efficiency, and building design is crucial. Here are several job roles that a mechanical engineer with construction and architectural experience might pursue. So HVAC, like heating, ventilation and air conditioning. So if you have a well structural idea, you can design like this way with the heating, ventilation and the air conditioning system for a building. Like a mechanical engineer with architectural experiences often work on the design, installation and maintenance of HVAC system in buildings. They ensure that these systems are energy efficient, properly sized and compliant with building codes. Here's the key responsibility are design HVAC system for building, optimize air quality, manage temperature control system and ensure ventilation meets health and safety standards. They also work with architects to ensure the HVAC design integrate seamlessly with the building's architecture. Building system engineer focus on a overall functionality of mechanical systems within building including heating, cooling, plumbing and electrical system. They may work on a large commercial and residential project. Key responsibility in here the design and integrate mechanical, electrical and plumbing system in buildings, ensuring all the systems are energy efficient and compliant with regulations. Collaborate with architect to ensure this system align with the building design and aesthetic. Construction project engineer. So what's the responsibility as an construction project engineer? A project engineer with a mechanical background oversees the mechanical aspect of construction projects from initial planning through to execution. They may include managing subcontractor, overseeing mechanical installation and ensuring project timelines and budget are met. Responsibility here is the supervise mechanical system installation, ensure proper coordination between mechanical and architectural teams, troubleshoot mechanical issue and monitor progress on site. Energy efficiency consultant. So how can you maintain the energy efficiently? Mechanical engineer with experience in construction and architecture can specialize in the optimizing energy use in buildings. They assess building system to recommend improvements that reduce energy consumption and increase sustainability. Here the key responsibility is to conduct energy audit, design energy efficient mechanical system, recommend renewable energy solution and help building achieve green building certification. Facade engineer. Mechanical engineer with architectural knowledge may work as facade engineer, focusing on the external envelope of a building, including the integration of mechanical system within the facade design. Here the key responsibility is to design and analyze building facades or considering thermal performance, energy efficiency and mechanical system integration, work closely with architect to ensure the aesthetic vision aligns with the structural and mechanical feasibility. Plumbing system engineer design and manage water supply and drainage system for a building. This role requires understanding both mechanical system and architectural design to ensure systems fit within the structural and are efficient. Key responsibilities: design plumbing system, ensure compliance with the building codes, coordinate with architect to ensure systems are integrated with building layouts and work on sustainability water management solution. Then come to lead consultant or sustainability. mechanical engineer can take on role as sustainability consultant, where they focus on making building more energy efficient and environmentally friendly through mechanical system design and implementations. The advice Here's the key responsibility is to advise on strategies to reduce a building's carbon footprint, integrate renewable energy system like solar power system or solar heating, improve energy efficiency in mechanical system and help buildings achieve sustainability certifications like LEED and BREEAM. Construction site manager. In this role, a mechanical engineer ensures that mechanical systems are installed correctly during construction. They supervise contractor and ensure that all works is completed on time, within budget, and meets quality standards. Key responsibility here is to manage the mechanical work on site, coordinate between mechanical, electrical, and plumbing teams, monitor the installation of HVAC, plumbing, and other mechanical systems, and troubleshoot problems during construction. Building Services Engineer. Building Services Engineer design, install, and maintain the mechanical and electrical systems that make buildings functional, such as heating, air conditioning, lighting, and ventilation. Key responsibility here is to work with aesthetic architect to ensure the integration of mechanical system into buildings design, optimize system performance for energy efficiency, and ensure system meet safety and regulatory standards. So you have understand what kinds of responsibility you need to maintain according to the construction experiences. So all of these experiences you need to require for a job application. So if you do not have, try to practice or try to referred by your teacher. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching my video. Welcome to my channel Artistic Documentation. So goodbye for now.